This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix touch not working properly after updating new iOS version. So if your iPhone not working properly, follow these easy steps to fix this issue. So the first solution is clean your iPhone display. You can use soft cloths or tissue to gently clean your iPhone screen. And after that, check the issue. The second solution is go to your iPhone settings and tap on accessibility. Tap on touch. Tap on haptic touch and here select first and then check the issue. The third solution is give a simple restart. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and check the issue. The fourth solution is update your iPhone. Go to your settings and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If you see any update available, then update the new iOS version and check the issue. The next solution is remove your screen protector. If your iPhone screen protector is damaged, it may be the reason of your screen not working properly. In this case, remove the screen protector and check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Reset all settings. Once done, hope the problem will be fixed now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.